Today we got a video from Body Cam Premium, and the title of the video is Cops Find Him Trespassing, Then Discover He's a Wanted Fugitive.
You know that's not right, bro.
You know what? We're just.
You know that's ain't right, man.
I'm just gonna.
Say right. Somebody else.
Let me tase them.
Somebody don't tase me. Don't tase me.
Okay.
Don't tase me.
Which one? The one I have?
Help. Help.
He ain't gonna.
Help. Help. Please help. Please, it's hard for me to breathe. My rib cage is already fractured. All right?
Well, you should have thought about that before you resisted.
On November 11th, 2024, officers were dispatched to a residence compound after receiving reports about a guy trespassing inside the building, disturbing the tenants. When officers arrive, they initially search the building for him, finding no one, so they make their way to the caller to get his statement.
Hello.
Hi.
Did you call?
I did.
How can I help you today?
Down the hall by the door.
Okay, we looked, he's not in the building anymore.
Okay.
He doesn't belong here,
No,
though,
he
correct?
does not,
Okay.
no.
You want to have management reach out to the neighborhood policing unit?
Yeah,
so
we
they
can do that, yeah.
So they can have him formally trespassed and whatnot?
Right.
If I see him, I'll tell him he's got to leave, all right?
Yeah, he's wearing a red hoodie.
Okay, what is it, red hoodie?
And it's black pants.
Black pants?
He's homeless.
Okay, what race?
Like, what do you mean?
Race?
Black.
Black, okay, younger, older?
No,
Okay, any distinct marks or characteristics?
just that.
Okay, all right.
Black pants.
Okay, we just walked from the top down, we didn't see him.
Right.
So if he shows up again, call, we're here all night, all right?
Okay, thanks, guys. I'm
All right.
sorry.
No, that's why we're here. Appreciate it.
No problem.
It's Monday.
To all units, armed person, Washington Street, North Buttrick Street. It's gonna be male black, gray
you
hoodie,
supposed to be here?
sledgehammer.
I'm waiting on my
Walking
friend to
pretty
get off
fast,
early.
but
Okay,
that's not true.
but so you don't
3292.
know anyone over here?
Well, he stays here.
What's his name?
Darius.
Darius what?
All right. Do we happen to have anybody with a 40 on shift?
I got here a little bit too early.
Okay.
He was letting me stay overnight because pads is closed and there's no overnight shelters.
But you're not, you don't have like a key to the residence?
No.
All right, you're gonna have to like wait outside till he gets here, all right? And then he can let you back in the building. Was it Washington Butcher?
Good option. I don't know what happens here.
Is that something? Oh, difference?
What's that? No, from what I said?
Yeah.
No, same.
Yeah, okay. So like I said, if your buddy comes back and lets you in, that's fine, but otherwise you can't be on the property, all right? Because you don't know anyone, so they don't want you here.
I was going to give him a call, but my phone literally just died right now.
And I get that. It's just, you know what I mean? They don't want you in here and whatnot. You got a ID or something?
No, I don't.
You got a name?
I just got all my stuff stolen. Then I'm allowed to leave. That's exactly how it was. You asked me to leave, so I'm going to go walk around the ground.
Let me complete what I'm doing and you're free to leave, all right? But right now, we're not free to leave. I'll just reiterate that.
I know my rights.
You're not.
So once I'm being told I'm trespassing, I'm allowed to leave.
Here's I'm going to simplify it for you, okay? These buildings has a trespass agreement with the city of Waukegan, okay?
My name's George.
They don't want people on the property that are not with a tenant, okay? At which point they call us. We have to ID the person to make sure if they want them banned that we positively ID the individual on the property, which makes you not free to leave, detained until we can find out who you are with an ID or through you giving us your name. Once that is complete, once we verify who you are, as long as you don't have any warrants, then yes, you will be free to leave at that point and not return to the property without a valid tenant that has a lease to this property.
Well,
In other words, you better get your shit together, okay? You better cooperate before it get real crazy around here. It might get real dangerous for you. You hear me? That's what he trying to say. He said, hey, we trying to trespass you. We need your basic information. Be easy because it could get real dangerous. Okay? That's basically what he's saying. In case you didn't know.
Darius Swain is about a tenant.
Okay, but without
You better act right.
Without you being with a tenant, the complex says they don't want unattended guests just roaming the property.
They didn't report me for anything.
We wouldn't be here if you weren't reported.
Well, if they ask me to leave, I'm allowed to leave. I'm not being detained.
You are being detained.
Once they tell me to leave, after I stay, after that point, I'm trespassing. But I was just here with the tenant for the past 2-3 days.
And there's no problem. There's no problem with a tenant having visitors.
Yeah.
You, as a visitor, have to be with a tenant at all times.
You can see it for the past 2 or 3 days.
That doesn't. What happened 2 or 3 days doesn't matter. You're not with a tenant that has a lease
I know I'm
for the property. You're not. free to
Whoa,
leave.
whoa. Don't move now.
Issues for yourself, okay? Like my partner said, you're not free to leave. I misspoke, but you're not free to leave. Once we're done with our investigation, and your lawful detention, then you'll be free to leave.
Don't make any fast movements now.
If your buddy leaves here, if he leaves for work or whatever the deal is, I wouldn't leave his apartment then, because you're gonna.
I was asked to leave his apartment. That's the thing. While he's not present, I wasn't allowed to stay there.
And you have no keys to the complex. You don't know
I
who
came
you
back
are.
a little bit early. He asked me to come back around 10 o'clock.
That's fine. Then you're gonna have to find something else to do until 10 o'clock.
So if you're trespassing, you could be under arrest.
If I neglect to leave. But you guys.
Well, no. What I'm saying is, if any business or any property in the city of Waukegan signs a trespass agreement, you could automatically be arrested because they signed an agreement with the city saying arrest anybody that's not with a tenant. That's what you're not understanding. We're not looking to go that route. We're looking to positively identify you. Then at that point, then we tell you to leave and stay off the property until you get a valid tenant. That's it.
After confirming Benjamin's identity and finding out he has an active warrant out for his arrest, officers move in.
Back, George. Come here. Come here.
Whoa. Don't move now.
You're under arrest for a warrant. Okay? Don't fight. Don't fight.
This ain't right, man.
Don't fight.
Got them together, boy.
Don't fight. You're under arrest. Stop resisting. I got this thing.
Don't tense up now. Don't tense up.
I got it. It's not right, bro. It's not right. You know this ain't right, bro. You know it's not right, and I'm already
I can't do anything without him.
That's not right. That's not right, man. Here, get this hand.
I can't do anything without him.
That's not right, dude. Stop moving. That's not right, bro.
89, we're fighting.
No,
Can
that's
you
not right.
start us a couple more? We're on the west side of 2101.
You know that's not right, bro.
Sorry, 2801.
What?
Okay.
You know that's not right, man.
I
You know that's not right.
have one arm. So.
You know that's not right, bro.
You know what? We're
You
just.
know this ain't right, man.
I'm just
Say
gonna.
right. Somebody else.
Let me tase them.
Somebody don't tase me. Don't tase me.
Okay.
Don't tase me.
Which one? The one I have?
Help. 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 Please help. Please help.
I have one secure cuff to this hand.
Okay.
I have one secure cuff.
This ain't right, man. You know this ain't right. Why you gotta hit me, man? Why are you hitting me?
Stop resisting.
Why are you hitting me?
Stop resisting.
I stopped. I wasn't even moving my legs, bro. I wasn't even moving.
He ain't going nowhere. I got him.
Why would you hit me? Why would you hit me, man?
Because you're resisting us, bro.
I'm not moving. I'll get up.
No, you're not getting up.
I'm injured.
You are not getting up.
I'm already injured.
But you better.
I'm already injured. I'll get up. I'm already injured. I can't breathe.
You want to wait for another one to get here?
I'm already injured. I'll put my hands behind my
Can't
back.
breathe.
I'll roll over on my stomach. You're gonna wait till we get some. I'm already injured.
Talking pretty good. Sound like you breathing to
I'm
me.
already injured. Please, can I just turn over on my stomach?
You've lost that.
Can I just turn over on my stomach? Please? Please? I can't breathe.
Once we get one more,
You're too heavy,
I want you to
man.
fold.
Please.
We'll go. I got
Please.
You ain't going nowhere.
Please. Please. It's hard for me to breathe. My rib cage is already fractured. All right?
You should have thought about that before you resisted.
This is an unlawful arrest, man.
You have a warrant out of North Carolina. It is not.
If you ask me to leave, I'm allowed to leave. That was arbitrary. Nobody made a report.
All right, slow down.
Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
We gotta get the other cop on.
I'm gonna
Please don't hit me.
towards me.
Yeah, we're good. We're good, yeah. Bro, no, you don't have to be so rough, bro. I'm not being rough, man.
Spin it like this. Okay.
You could have asked me. You could have asked me.
Okay. You're gonna sit up and you're gonna listen to what we have to say, all right? You ain't going anywhere. You're in cuffs now. You understand that, Benjamin?
I hear
You
you.
understand what I said?
I hear what you're saying.
Okay, so I'm gonna roll to your side. Sit up, hit me. Okay, stand up. I lost my magazines.
I got both of them in a light.
Okay, yeah, that's my light. Okay, let's go, partner. Let's walk.
Hit me while I was down, man. What's up, bro?
My squad's right here unless someone else can.
The good thing for him, he got his attitude together before backup came, boy.
Benjamin, you got anything else on you?
They was ready to rock and roll.
Got a pad's ID.
That's fine. Spread your legs.
Come on, man. Come on. You gotta get in the back of the squad.
Oh, hold on.
I was just here this morning. You can
Benjamin.
check the cameras.
I only have one
You can
cage.
check the cameras. 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 Check the cameras.
Have a seat.
Check the cameras. Nah, man, I don't trust y'all. Y'all already hit me while I was down. Check the cameras. Check the cameras. Check the cameras. I was here this morning. You guys did not ask me to leave. No one asked me to leave. This is an unlawful arrest. This is an arbitrary arrest. Nobody even reported. Nobody even reported because that lady never came outside. And I never went by her window.
What part of he got a warrant don't he understand?
That's an arbitrary arrest.
Come on,
I didn't
we're
do
going back
anything.
there.
I didn't do anything. Nobody ever asked me to leave. Nobody ever asked me to leave. Nobody ever asked me to leave, bro.
Benjamin, don't make this harder than it is.
Dude, let's go. All right.
Nobody ever asked me to leave. No, man.
Right?
No, man.
Have a seat.
No, man. No.
Benjamin, you need to get in there.
How do you think this is gonna go?
You're fixing your charger. Come on, get in the car.
Y'all already hit me while
They
I was
gonna
down.
lose their patience.
Hurry up, dude. Come on. Y'all already hit.
Benjamin, stop resisting. Get the car.
Stay on the seatbelt.
Up, dude. Come on,
Hey, hit me while I was down.
Someone told me.
While I was down, bro.
And move.
I'm allowed to make my phone call. Yep. I want his badge number too. I want his name and his badge number. I should be able to get his name and his badge number if I request it.
You'll get everything that you need, man.
I want it right now. You can't neglect me that information, and I know my rights.
I'm gonna get it to you.
And it's an arbitrary arrest. That was a false police report. That call was never made.
I got here late, man. I haven't.
That was a false police report. This is an arbitrary arrest. I know my rights too. And he hit me while I was down. And I want to see the records of that police report. Because there was no phone call. There was never a phone call.
We'll get you everything that you need, man.
Yeah, they're going to get that after the fact. And then falsify the police report. Do you know what time that report was made?
I have no idea. I got here late. I don't really know what that.
What part doesn't this guy understand? What part does he not understand? He thinks that he's arrested for trespassing. Like, I don't know if that's a charge that they're going to tackle on top of things or whatever, but he's arrested for his warrant. You've been a bad boy in the Carolinas, man. Don't make no sense.
The call was never made.
You didn't even deal with me.
Yeah, I know.
Right?
But that call was never made. I know it wasn't because I didn't disturb anyone and that lady never came outside. I know which door they knocked on.
After his pointless rant, Benjamin was arrested and charged with fugitive from justice, resisting a peace officer, and criminal trespass.
See? Damn. And he got the trespass charge. Anyway, I think the officers did pretty good. overall, I mean, damn, you know what's crazy? The guy was in the hallway and I know he probably heard him talking to the other guy. So he just stayed in the hallway and thought the cops were just gonna walk right past him and not notice the red sweatshirt. That's why he probably had that sweatshirt on and he was in the midst of taking it off. That's why you seen it was in his hand when they actually caught him. Cause the guy was like, oh, he got a red sweatshirt, da-da-da-da-da. Like, he wearing a red sweatshirt. So he tried to get low, but he was better off getting out the building and just maybe walking around the corner or something like that. They probably wouldn't have got caught, but you sitting right there in the same building trying to hide in the corner? What type of shit is that? You gonna get caught. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job, man. I honestly think they should have got him together a little bit more, because that wrestling on the ground and all that. When officers said, yeah, let me tase him. You know, shit, you should have got him together, boy. But you know, whatever. They didn't go that route. No problem with that. But you know, sometimes you need, you know, sometimes people need a little act right, man. You know, there's different levels. Sometimes you need a little act right. Get yourself together, because you out of order right now. Sometimes people need a factory reset. You know what I'm saying? You need a software update. You know, because you ain't acting right now. You know what I'm saying? Damn, this technology ain't acting right. You know, you gotta. Damn, we need a software update. You know, and sometimes, you know, tasers and things like that can help them along. But anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna give a 3 out of 5, you know. Yeah, 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.